My name's Dave Whitney. I'm one of the owners of Valley Indoor RV Storage located in Chatsworth, California. The beauty of indoor storage is the fact that you keep the vehicle of any type in pristine condition. One of the things that we enjoy with the BenPak lifts is the fact that they allow us to double the square footage of storage that we have. They're very functional. Appearance-wise, they're very attractive, and they increased our bottom line. When we first ordered from BenPak, we ordered 10 boat lifts and 20 car lifts. Since that period of time, we've put on order another 12, which we are installing now, and have another 20 on order. We'll keep adding BenPak lifts to our inventory from the standpoint that functionally they're easy to operate, very quiet, very safe. You never have to worry about it. The lifts were adjustable. We could do the wide wheelbase or the shorter wheelbase to accommodate every car that we were to store. On the boat side, BenPak was ready, willing, and able to help us design a cradle system for the boat racks that would be universal for any trailer that we would put on it. Because every boat trailer is different. It doesn't just appear in one position. BenPak Lifts was an exceptional company to deal with. They were right there ready to answer any question I had. The BenPak Lifts really improved our bottom line.